Hello everybody, now I'm going to show you how to do number 7b. Alright, on this one you can choose whichever factoring method you would like to use, whether it's completing the square, quadratic formula, or regular factoring. So I'm going to start with completing the square. If you notice my b is negative 5, so since that's not an even number, I'm not going to use the completing the square method. So I can choose between quadratic formula or factoring. Now you can go through the process of trying to factor and get the solution, or you could do quadratic formula, and either one will give you the solutions. I'm going to do quadratic formula for this one. So step 1 is to identify your a, b, and c, and then plug it into the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Since my b is already negative, when I plug it in, it'll be positive 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 2 all over 2 times 3. And then I'll type in everything that's under the square root into the calculator, and when I do that, it equals 1. So I have 5 plus or minus the square root of 1 all over 6. In this case, the square root of 1 is actually a perfect square, and it equals 1. So I'll have 5 plus or minus 1 all over 6. Then I can separate into two separate fractions. The first one will be 5 plus 1 over 6, and the second will be 5 minus 1 over 6. So then my first answer will be 6 divided by 6, which is 1. And the second answer will be 4 over 6, which reduces down to 2/3. And those are my two solutions.